This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 80 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly April 2025 exercise 23. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Honorable members, it gives me immense pleasure to address this session of Parliament. Just 2 months ago, we celebrated the 75th anniversary of adoption of our Constitution, and only a few days ago the Indian Republic completed 75 years of its journey. This occasion will elevate India's pride, the mother of democracy, to new heights. On behalf of all the citizens of the country, I pay tribute to Baba Saheb Ambedkar and all the farmers of the Constitution, all the framers of the Constitution. The historic festival of Mahakumbh is also underway in the country. Mahakumbh is a festival of India's cultural tradition and social consciousness. Millions of devotees from across the country and the world have taken the holy depart Prayagraj. I express my sorrow over the unfortunate incident that occurred on Mauni Amavasya and wish for the speedy recovery of the injured. A few days ago, we lost the former Prime Minister of the country, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji. He served the nation as Prime Minister for 10 years and was a long time member of Parliament. I offer my heartfelt tribute to Manmohan Singh Ji. My government is infusing new energy through unprecedented achievements in this Amrit Kal of India's development journey. The people of work has tripled in this third term. Today, the nation is witnessing major decisions and policies being implemented at an extraordinary speed with the highest priority given to the poor, the middle class, the youth, women and farmers. In the third term of my government, concrete steps have been taken to achieve the goal of providing housing for all. Extending Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, we have decided to provide new homes to an additional 3 crore families. A budget of 5 lakh crore rupees has been allocated for this purpose. my government is committed to granting ownership rights of residential land to the rural poor and promoting financial inclusion under the Savamitra scheme. We have issued 2 crore property cards so far, of which approximately 70 lakhs property cards have been distributed in the last 6 months alone. Under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, 41,000 crore rupees has been disbursed to crores of farmers in recent months. The Dharti Aba tribal village Utkarsh campaign has been launched for the upliftment of 5 crore people from tribal communities, with an allocation of 80,000 crore rupees for this initiative in the current year. Under the Ayushman Bharat scheme from the current financial year, 6 crore senior citizens aged 70 years and above will receive health insurance with a health over of 5 lakh rupees per day. For small entrepreneurs, the loan limit under the Mudra scheme has been increased from 10 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees. Stop.